in this episode, I actually promote a YouTuber that got me started. Elderly Iron. If you ever get a chance, watch his channel. It's great. Anyways, I've been...
Didn't make it to the dirt.
Didn't make it to the dirt. That's a good thing. If you watch, you'd understand. For it right there. Roosters are a normal oddity in his channel. Apparently, I need some help from you. Can you see the problem? That connector says HVAC. And do you see a problem? Well, I guess I made the mistake of asking the wife to help. The helpful wife. We mapped out this. So, I think that's very easy to understand. I don't know why there was any disagreements. Lightheaded after that. And in this episode, I hope we get that blower fixed. Well, I think we did. All right, it's February, so we gotta start knocking things off. The grill piece is on the way. It's in Canada from Mav, so any day now we should have that. I need to work on that blower, figure out why it's staying on, just check some wiring. Then I added some things. The old regular filter, oil filter I should say, and oil change stuff. I do got some valve gaskets for it because they do leak down the side of the block, and anyways, it's just it's coming from the valves. Gaskets. What else we got? Oh, and I want to clean the engine end because the valve gaskets are leaking down the side of the engine, and that AC leak we saw, I might as well clean that up. Thought crossed my mind that maybe that's coming from when they were refilling it all. So there's always a chance it's actually not leaking. So that's the plan. I don't know how much of this I'm going to tackle, but a couple more things on the list. Okay, you'll have to excuse Jeff Bradshaw's in the background. Elderly Iron. If you get a chance, watch his channel. It's great. Anyways, I've been...
Didn't make it to the dirt.
Didn't make it to the dirt. That's a good thing. If you watch, you'd understand.
So there are no...
Investigating the chance of a wire causing my blower motor to just stay on full time. In here, didn't see anything that may have caused anything. So I took off, well, our HVAC unit came out of that hole there. That's just the disconnecting for it right there. Roosters are a normal oddity in his channel. Come over to this side. Now, if you look down in there, can you see the problem? That connector says HVAC. And do you see a problem? I don't know what that wire is for. It's definitely connected into my connector that I made for the HVAC. Obviously, probably got tugged on. Maybe it just came loose, whatever. That's probably the problem. I'm just going to connect that back together. There's nothing much to watch. Put it all back together. And then when I go to start the car, hopefully it all works again. There is so much noise going on. Old man problems. It's tight. But I need to get it apart to see where it goes. There. I'll show you. Lightheaded after that. Alright, now you can see I got the connector apart, my wire's out. I just got to figure out what slot it came out of, pull out that pin and put a new pin back in there.
Cross body damage. What was that part of the radio? Shit.
To me,
I just found another clue that
I see another one that might have pulled out. I need to check that from underneath, I think. I also need somebody else to give me a hand. Well, those of you that have been on the channel for a long time have seen this before. I found another wire on the other side of the connector that's bad, which means we have to tear into it a little bit more. Seats out, taking the sides off over there, gear shifter off because we just need to lift it up. That connector is right there. Well, you can see it right there through the gap there. That's it there. So it goes down basically along this area here and over. Oh, well, sorry, it's actually just through here, sort of thing. So I just need to lift this up 5 or 6 inches and we'll be able to get at that wire, pull it out, and do some more repairs to it. There you go. The offending wires. I think you guys can see them, can't you? Maybe you can't. So now I gotta trace these wires. The problem with this is that I don't know where these go in this connector. They're not the same colors on the other side, and they connect up to the back side of our controller that's in here. So in order to do that, I need another body. I don't have another body here to help me right now, so it's gonna have to wait for another day. So I'll see you in 3, 2. Same one on the next one. All right, got the wife out to help me, and we got that fixed. It was many chosen words during the event. Let me show you.
But shouldn't we match the whole world again from there?
You changed what was happening to this again, or?
Very fucking obviously gonna happen. Because as soon as we don't mark it, it's gonna fucking happen. You were supposed to do it this way in the first place, thinking it would never happen. Well, it happened. Not to mention it doesn't work right now. So I don't know if this is gonna fix it or not.
Well, when I'm through the exhaust, I'll be able to start it.
And
Put it all back together.
if it doesn't work, you gotta go back to that, which you will have erased off of there.
I took a picture.
So, with the help of the wife, we mapped out this. So, I think that's very easy to understand. I don't know why there was any disagreements. So that's fixed up. You see I got all the connectors back together, but to do it I had to trace what the wires were. And when I put that piece I made as an extension to go from here to where it was before. Also, I forgot to mention that I figured out why the wires got pulled out in the first place. When they were putting that center console back down, that wire was trapped under there, and you could see where it was kinked and pushed down, and that put the stress on the wires, causing it to come apart. So we're good going forward. All right, I'm just gonna tuck this back under now. Actually, if anybody knows that our family's like, we have this thing of like, I don't know, trying to escalate something that's really nothing. It's like an episode of Seinfeld around here, making something out of nothing. So usually it begins by somebody elevates their voice, starts yelling like, why is this working so well? And the next thing you know, something else ensues. I just spit on myself. Let's see if I can get this all up there. Grab it from the other side. Back together. All wires accounted for. fronts in. Let's get these back ones there. You guys have seen me struggle with this many times. You don't need to watch again. Well, that's all back together, which is great. I think we got it. And I think the way the wife put it in that little episode was probably best. I don't really know if it's going to work until I can fire up the car and test it. And Blake and I have taken the exhaust off, so I can't really test it. We might have to take it all apart again and do this all over again. Hopefully not, because I think I got it. But we won't know until it's all back together. Thanks for watching. Shepherd out.